How to download Chrome browser in Windows 7. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you perfect process. So if first you need to use your browser, any browser if you have. Okay, so here in search for, you can search for Internet Explorer. Okay, in my window, this is window 11, so I don't have the Internet Explorer. So search for Internet Explorer and open that browser. For me, I just open the Microsoft Edge, or you can simply search Edge. You can see the Microsoft Edge. So you need to use any other browser. Okay, and just open the Google and search for download Chrome browser. Okay, and this first official link will be come up. Okay, so you can use this. So here we have the link that we can download that browser for our PC. In my PC it is for Windows 11 64-bit, but if you are downloading the window, if you're downloading Chrome for your Windows 7, then that Google will be automatically detect your system and it will be show here the Windows 7 32-bit or 64-bit. So you don't need to anything, it will be automatically detected, and then you need to just download it. Okay, once you download this file, here it will be come here in download options, come to the three dot option, and you can see this download option. Just open it, and once you click, this will be open. Now here go to the file, open the file folder. Okay, so here you can see the installation, this file. Okay, exe file, you need to just double click on it and just click on yes. It will be start install the browser to your computer Windows 7. Once you're done, you can see the application. I just cancel it. Once you're done, you can see your Chrome browser application on your desktop, or you can search that application like this. Okay, you can see this application once you after your installations. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.